Welcome back to another intense body cam breakdown. We're in Arizona, where officers are responding to every cop's nightmare, a report of a male with a gun inside a movie theater. The stakes here are incredibly high: low visibility, crowded hallways, and zero room for error. Watch closely as the officers move in. They have to assume this is a lethal threat until proven otherwise. Is this an active shooter situation or a massive...
On University or Delray?
Delray.
Negative on a description so far. Unknown if he is speeded or still walking around. RP is security, attempting to walk towards that direction to get any other 49. Again, it's going to be theater number 8.
Sergeant, do you want me to try and make entry to the front? You guys want to keep the eyes on the back?
I'll go with you to the front.
Sure.
Central 840. The night shooter for 49 male is in the lobby at this time.
Correct. Do you have 2-5 with the RP?
I'll put you on the card, but if 95 you can continue, so you can be his backup. I'll put you on the card, but if 95 you can continue, so
Where's
you
he
can be
at?
his backup.
Here. Who's the one with the airsoft gun? Don't reach for it. Don't be stupid. Okay, well, you're carrying a toy gun into a mall.
Copy. 809, direct.
Do you have any other weapons on you, man?
No, it's just a toy gun.
This is a toy.
Okay. You're good to... Oh, you're just going to do it right there? Okay, all right.
What's going on? We're waiting for an Uber to pick us up.
Okay, how old's your son?
He's 11.
He's 11? Okay. Did you know he had that with him?
Yeah, I just didn't know that it was like such a big deal. It's like a plastic gun.
Understand, but it's the holidays.
I'll take it and I'll make
The
sure
stuff,
we keep it.
you know, when it's dark in the hallways, people see the silhouette of a gun, things like
I
that.
have to apologize.
Yeah.
I mean, we can give it to you if you want.
No,
but I will
that's
make
not-
sure we
that's
keep
not
it at
necessary.
home because
It's-
I don't want
it's
to
just-
cause any unknown, anyone to be uncomfortable or him to actually get in trouble.
Yeah,
And,
so, I mean, why does he need that here?
he does.
You know.
I agree. I definitely.
Did he take it out of your purse?
Let's pause here because this is a critical teaching moment. The mother admits she knew her 11-year-old had the airsoft gun, dismissing it because it's the holidays. But the officer makes a brilliant point about the silhouette of a gun. In a dark theater or a high-stress moment, officers or armed citizens aren't looking for an orange tip. They're reacting to the shape of a weapon. Later, we find out the kid was actually waving it around. That is a recipe for tragedy. The officer is doing a great job de-escalating, trying to make the mother understand that in today's climate, bringing a realistic replica into a soft target like a mall isn't just a nuisance, it's a life-threatening decision. I want to know your thoughts. Is the officer being too patient here, or is this the perfect way to handle a clueless parent?
Purse?
He had it with him. He came in with it. I was going to take him to the back in his purse.
Okay.
He had it in his pocket.
That's just
He's out playing with his friends. We were late for the movie, and we just.
understandable, not a big deal, but we got to be a little bit more cognizant of today's day and age and things that have happened in the past. Holidays, easy targets, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Obviously it's clear, it looks fake,
Yeah.
but like I said, if you're walking in a movie theater and they just see that,
Yeah.
so,
I understand.
all right.
I know that, but if he has it hidden under his shirt, no one knows that, right?
Are you guys staying for the movie or
No, we're just
waiting for the ride? Okay.
Yeah, we're just when we saw.
All right.
in Compton. There should be
Just make sure that
It look like real bullets, right? I do not have a taser. They're heading up.
yeah, they're waiting on an Uber. Yeah, we're good.
Are you good if they hang out for your Uber?
Okay. We're gonna put that in the purse.
Yes, I do apologize.
Okay.
I won't let him take it out of the house again.
Fine for at home, not in public.
Sir, why can't we have a toy gun?
Because sometimes people think that toy guns are real guns, and then people get hurt. Toy guns are fine for playing at home, but not good for playing out in public. What's your name, man?
Cheese Crackle?
Well, we just want to make sure that everyone's okay. What was the reason for bringing the gun into the movie theater?
I didn't think it was a big thing.
Well, it can be a very big deal, especially if you're carrying it hidden like that. People don't know if it's real or not. I know that, but if he has it hidden under his shirt, no one knows that, right?
Is that a lucky
talk to you?
No.
I'm gonna talk to. So, was he acting out? Was he disorderly, or you guys just spotted it?
One of the employees told me he was waving it around.
He's waving it around. Okay.
They're just concerned because they couldn't tell off the back.
No, that's absolutely fair. I mean, you shouldn't be doing that. Do you guys want him trespassed or the mom trespassed or anything?
Nah, just to have them leave for the day.
Okay. All right. So just take off for the day and.
I don't think they'll be back.
I'm sure. Okay. All right. We'll just get him ID'd and get him on out of here then, sir. Thank you for calling.
It's
Is that
not.
real gun?
Yes, it is.
You don't want anything.
They don't want anything? Okay. Especially when it has those, they look like real bullets, right? Okay.
Do you have a taser?
I do not have a taser. They're headed out.
Huh?
Fine. Put mom's purse.
Are you good if they hang out for their Uber? Okay.
We're gonna put that in the purse.
Yes, I do apologize.
Okay.
I won't let him take it out of the house again.
Fine for at home, not in public.
Okay, my name is V. My badge number is 792.
It's Cosper, C-O-S-P-E-R, dollar.
Like dollar bill.
Dollar.
855. All right, sir. You have a good one.
Thankfully, this situation ended without incident. The officers utilized officer discretion here, choosing to have the family trespass for the day rather than pressing charges for disorderly conduct or inducing panic. It was a solid display of community policing, identifying the threat was low, educating the public, and ensuring the safety of the venue. The mother finally seemed to grasp the severity when the officer pointed out the fake bullets, but it's a lesson that could have been learned the hard way. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments if you would have confiscated that toy gun. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam analysis. Stay safe.